Welcome to Olivia's Garden, where the beauty of nature meets the art of gardening. In this video, I'll show you a true beauty in my yard called the Dalmatian Iris. Please like and subscribe for more videos on other eye-catching plants to add to your garden oasis. The Dalmatian Iris is a standout addition to any garden with its delicate purple flowers and stunning blue and white sword-like leaves. It thrives in USDA growing zones 4 through 9, making it a good choice for gardeners across a wide geographic range. To ensure optimal growth, it thrives in soil with a pH between 6.8 and 7.7, preferring slightly acidic to neutral conditions. Iris dazzles with its blooms in late spring to early summer, offering a burst of color and beauty to the garden. Also, when they're not in bloom, the leaves are very eye-catching and will add character to your yard from early spring to late fall, which is why I love it. I love any plant that gives dramatic interest for 3 full seasons. You can plant them in the ground and also in planters to give your planter a striking and unique appearance. I've planted them in my garden bed and my planters. In both locations, they multiply and grow back stronger each year. Just be sure to keep your planter in full sun in the spring to allow it to grow to its fullest potential. I've paired my iris with purple and fuchsia petunias and lime green creeping jenny, which makes a fantastic combination. The creeping jenny and iris, being perennials, grow back in the same planter every year, so I only need to replace the petunias every spring. The iris at maturity tends to multiply and typically reaches a height of 2 to 3 feet and spreads 1.5 to 2 feet wide. For sun exposure, the Dalmatian Iris thrives in full sun to partial shade, requiring at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily to bloom profusely and maintain healthy growth. When it comes to watering, consistent moisture is key, especially during the growing season, but be cautious not to overwater to prevent root rot. Pruning the Dalmatian Iris is simple and straightforward. Remove spent flowers to encourage continuous flowering, and trim back foliage in the fall to tidy up the plant and reduce the risk of disease. While generally disease resistant, it's still important to monitor for common issues like leaf spot or root rot to maintain the plant's health and vigor. In summary, the Dalmatian Iris is a low-maintenance yet high-impact plant that adds beauty, fragrance, and resilience to gardens. With its stunning blooms and robust growth, it's one of my favorites. I hope you enjoy this plant as much as I do. If you have any questions about my experience with this beautiful iris, feel free to ask me in the comments below. As you compile your spring gardening wish list, you may want to check out the other stunning plants on the Olivia's Garden channel as well. Thank you for subscribing and watching my channel as I share beautiful and easy to grow plants from my garden that you may want to add to your own garden oasis.